Hi, Wendy Carpenter here from Interfiber Studio Gallery. This is the second video, demo video, and I just wanted to show you how to thread a frame for sculptural weaving. So we'll come closer here and I'll show you how to do this. I have pre-coiled the steel frame right here to save video time, and now I'm coming down to the bottom bar and I'm going to circle around, set my dent. I have about 2 threads per inch, which is this extremely wide dent. Then I'm going to come through and do a little slip knot here so I can keep my place right there. And often you would just come back and thread back and forth, but with this particular piece, I'm also coming down to the second horizontal bar here, and this thread is only for coiling, and so is this one. The only threading yarn I have is the butterfly in my hand. Then I'll be going around like that, and I'll get this one out of my way. There we go. And then I'll come around again, locking it in. Now you can see I have 1 thread in the front, 1 in the back. Once I coil that steel rod, it'll stay in place. Always, if you're coming from the back, stay in the back. Coming from the front, stay in the front. So now I'm going to go around this bar to continue my threading. I'm going to lock it in again. And then when I'm all done threading, I'll come back and coil a bit more. So now I'm coming back up here. So we have a back thread, a front thread, a back thread, and a front thread. So once you have all of this threaded as far as you want, then you can start weaving. I'm going to probably thread this all the way down to the point right here. And then, like I showed in my other video, you simply pick up front and back 2 warp ends at one time, slide through, and then you start packing it in. As I come up, tuck that little end back in, and then come back up and thread through until you have the whole section woven. I have changed a few things, like for instance I took some of this heavy blue out and put a light green in. I didn't like the way it looked, and then followed through with the next section. The first video showed just 2 panels, and now I have 6. So the next video will be a shot right on the wall, so you'll see it from a distance as it's designed to be viewed, and that will be the final video. Okay, thanks for tuning in. Wendy Carpenter, Interfibers.